Hello and welcome to a QImage Ultimate tutorial about creating signatures and copyright or logos and placing them on a print. Now, for example, in this case I'm going to show you this image here, which is an image of a sign against a blue background. This was submitted by one of the members of the QImage forum, and the idea was to get a final result like this with a background image and that sign showing on there. Now you'll notice that there's no blue background, that we can see the sky behind, because with the copyright signature feature in QImage, a mask needs to be made which has areas which are transparent or semi-transparent and other areas which are opaque, which would show an image. And you also see this is towards the top right corner of the image, and there are 6 fixed positions for copyright signature logo insertions on a print, and they're top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right, and center top and center bottom. Now this one is set to top right, but you see that there's quite a big gap between the edges of the main print, and this is achieved by making the whole image and mask a little bit bigger around the edges to space it off from that corner. Okay, so here is the campsite sign image, and first of all I'm just going to make a copy of it at a slightly different size. Now this is so that we get on the finished print something about the right size, and the bigger the print, the bigger the sort of signature copyright image needs to be. So I'm actually going to resize this. So I'm going to open the editor, and you'll see I've already cropped it. It's a square crop, and it's had some sharpening on it as well. But anyway, so what I'm going to do is go File, Save As, and it's opening at it's the current folder, which is fine. So I'm going to save it as CampSign 1, so it is a different file name, right? And I'm going to save as a JPEG. Now this is the dialog when you save from the editor, and I'm going to keep it in sRGB, JPEG quality 90. Some of you might want higher quality, or in fact make it into a TIFF. But what I need to do is resize it to about 200 pixels. I think will give about the right size. So I'm going to OK that, and that's saved. Okay, I'll just say done. I'll just save that filter for now, and you can see there's the copy, which is a smaller image. So I think that's going to be about the right size. Now the next thing is to make the mask, and I can do this in the editor too. Now the critical thing about a mask is it must be exactly the same pixel size as the image. So I'm leaving that as it is, and I'm simply going to make this blue background black so it's transparent, and to leave this area, make it white so that is opaque. So I'm going to select color. So if I pick this background, you'll see it's blue, and I want to make that black. So I'm going to make all of these -20. What select color here is doing is sort of making the colors lighter or darker basically again. So using -20 is making it very dark. Okay, so you can see it's gone black, and you can see here it is a full black from the thing here. Now I'm going to select this, and it's coming out as a yellow, and I want that to be white, so I'm just going to put a 20 in each of these, so it's a multiplier and it's really making the RGB values considerably higher, but of course it can't go above 255. Okay, so there we are. So we've got a black and white image. Now if I was to make this area here a grey, then it would be semi-transparent, and so you'd see a bit of the sky in the background, but I'm going to make it fully transparent. So again, I'm going to save this and save as. Now I need to have it the same file name as the sign, right? But what I have to do to make it known to QImage that it's a mask, you have to name it mask, so it's dash mask. Okay, I'm going to save it, and there again I'm going to save it at the same resolution at 200. Okay, done. Okay, so there's the mask, and there is the campsite image. Right, now what I need to do, I'll select both of these and I'm going to copy them, copy images, and I'm going to copy them into the signatures folder in the QImage application data. Now on my computer I've got a solid state hard drive, so my QImage application data is actually on my D drive with the other images, so it's here, so I need to copy it into there and OK that. Okay, now I'm going to put this image in the queue, and I'm going to go into the page editor to do this, it's because it would be clearer. Page editor, not editor. So I'm going to right click on here and choose copyright signature, and I'm going to put it in the top right. You see, I'll click this position here, and then I'm going to click File, Open Image, and that was I've been playing around this, so you can see there's a number of versions of this, and it was Camp Sign 1, if you remember. So I'll pick that one and open. Okay. Now you can't see it just at the moment, but if you go to, if you printed this, you would see it. But also you can see it if you go to high quality preview, and you will see there's that that little sign in the image. Now actually that is a bit small. But if I could change that, I'll go that and clear that and go to File, Open Image, and I can pick a different one, which I think is bigger. I'll open that. Okay. HQ preview. No, that's a bigger version. I think that must be about 400 pixels for mask and so on. So that's how it works. Thank you for watching.